Stashaway's rebalancing feature is one of the most powerful tools for maximizing investment returns while controlling risk. Rebalancing automatically adjusts your portfolio according to market conditions and your personal risk profile. It ensures that your investments remain aligned with your financial goals without requiring constant manual intervention. For investors, this is crucial because markets are constantly shifting and asset values rarely move uniformly. Without rebalancing, a portfolio can drift, with certain assets dominating and increasing risk beyond your comfort level. The primary benefit of Stashaway's rebalancing is the disciplined approach to maintaining your target asset allocation. For example, if your portfolio is designed to have 60% equities and 40% bonds, but equities rise significantly to 70%, the rebalancing feature will automatically sell part of your equities and buy bonds to restore the original 60-40 ratio. This reduces exposure to overvalued assets and helps secure gains. Over time, this disciplined approach can significantly increase long-term returns while reducing the impact of market volatility. Another advantage is cost efficiency. Rebalancing within Stashaway happens automatically and strategically, minimizing unnecessary transaction costs or taxes. Unlike manual rebalancing, which may be inconsistent or poorly timed, Stashaway ensures that adjustments are made in a systematic, data-driven way. This can save investors hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the long term by avoiding poorly timed trades or emotional decisions. Stashaway also factors in expected risk-adjusted returns when rebalancing. This ensures that each adjustment contributes to the optimal growth potential of your portfolio relative to your risk tolerance. Investors benefit from a smoother journey toward their financial goals, as the system continuously optimizes investments without requiring active management. Rebalancing in Stashaway isn't just convenience, it's a strategic advantage that protects capital, locks in gains, and enhances overall portfolio performance.